Like I said, these shrimp take no time at all. They've not even been in this pan barely 3 minutes. And look at it. A little grapeseed oil and bam. So it's about time for me to take, when you start seeing them turn white and starting to curl up, they're ready to come out. Because don't forget, they are going to get put back in the heat in just a little bit. So you definitely don't want to overcook your shrimp. Okay, they're gonna come out. Oh, they're so beautiful. This is gonna be yummy. Yeah, I know the tradition of turkey and dressing. We had that for Thanksgiving, so we were really on this seafood kick and prime rib. I like to fix prime rib once a year. And now I'm just gonna saute the crab meat. Crab meat's already done. Basically, when you buy it, I might put a little bit more oil. Then we're gonna start making our fettuccine. Get everything in here. There you go. Yes. As they say, we are cooking with gas. Ha ha ha. Okay. Added a little bit of pepper, a little bit of seasoning salt. Just squishing this around. And now we're gonna start working on our Alfredo sauce. Real simple. Okay, we are making our Alfredo sauce. I simply have some heavy cream here. I put a little bit of butter because I don't want it to be greasy. So just got a little bit of heavy cream. Let's go ahead and use it all. Why not? Gonna let it come to a boil. Okay, we got our heavy cream here. Let this come to a boil. Yeah, I just put a little dab of butter in here. And once it comes to a boil, I'm gonna add in some Parmesan cheese. I just got some freshly shaved cheese. It's gonna be wonderful. It's really easy. There was a time I was very intimidated about making my own Alfredo sauce. Then I realized, it's really super simple. Just use the heavy cream, add some parm, and pretty much, if you want to add a little kick to it. My daughter doesn't like too much spice, so I'm going light on the spice, but you could add a little hit of Cajun seasonings and would really be lovely. So we'll just let this come to a boil. I'll go ahead and add in some of our parm. I'll put the top on this for a little bit. I don't think I have the right top. Nope, not the right top. Where'd that top go? Oh, things are just all over the place. Ah, over here. Okay. Got some parm mixed up in here. I'm gonna put the top on for just a little bit. All right, the seafood Alfredo is coming along, getting the sauce just right. And so now I'm I'm gonna start folding in some of the fettuccine noodles. Yes, this is gonna be lovely. I cannot wait. Yeah. Oh yeah, we don't eat pasta. I started to say we don't eat pasta enough, but you know, we don't eat pasta a lot, so we're splurging. So I've got my pasta in, and guess what comes next? The seafood. Oh yeah. I'm gonna just hit it with just a little bit of seasoning salt, just a hit. Little hit of pepper. And I already put some garlic on the shrimp and pepper, all that good stuff on the crab meat. So now, I'm gonna start getting the crab meat mixed in. Ooh, party. Okay, you wanna watch? Okay, I get it, I get it. You want to watch. So, crab meat, shrimp going in. Oh my goodness. I know. Isn't this beautiful? Let me see if I can get you up closer. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at that. So we've mixed, oh, look at that. So this Alfredo sauce is gonna thicken up, and I'm adding more parm to it. Oh yeah, just getting the seafood all mixed in. And guess what? I want to give this some color and another flavor profile. I'm going to mix in some spinach. Yes. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? And you know that spinach is going to swivel right on up. Yeah. Oh yeah. Go ahead and add in more of the parm. Just get it all in there. Oh yeah. A little more spinach. Don't worry, it's gonna swivel right on up. We are going to have a beautiful, beautiful dish here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. Gonna put the top on. Because it's basically done. I'm just gonna let the spinach swivel up, and we will be ready to eat. The prime rib is done. I believe our cheese potatoes are done, and the broccoli. So baby, yes, this is looking so good. I do want to hit this with just a hit of my Cajun seasoning if I can locate it. But otherwise, I know the flavor is gonna be fine. Oh yeah, look at that. This is gonna be yummy. Okay. Put the top on this for just a minute. Let the spinach cook down. Honey. Ooh, it smells so good. Yes. Just a little more hit of pepper. You know, we love pepper. Kiana doesn't as much, so I'm being gentle. Yeah, look at that. Ooh, yes, oh my goodness. This looks so good. Okay, I'm going to put the top on this and just let it sit. And then I'm gonna turn the heat down to where it's just like on the lowest setting. I want it to sit for a bit. I don't want to eat the, you know, right after it finishes, because you want to let it sit, and then the sauce will thicken up as well while it's sitting over that heat. And you see how the spinach is shrinking? I'm gonna put a little bit more. Yep. Yep. Adding more spinach. I like that color. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yes. This is beautiful. Okay. I think I've stirred this enough. Just want to toss it real good. Oh yeah. It's a beautiful dish. So here we have it. Our seafood Alfredo, jumbo shrimp, lump crab, fettuccine noodles. We use heavy cream and Parm cheese to make our Alfredo sauce. Seasoning wise, we just did a little pepper, garlic, seasoning salt. I'm gonna find a hit of Cajun somewhere and add that. And if you like it to be a little spicier, you can season to your liking. Alrighty. And we got some good eating going on. So we'll be right back.